Okay, unboxing this package from Amazon. Okay, next we have the charger. So see here, it's opened here, it's slightly opened here. Yeah, it's open over here. Okay, either sealed over here, sealed over here. Now we'll just proceed to remove the seal from here, from this side. Okay. I have the cable and we have the product validation thing, like the how to claim warranty, and we have the cable, but cable does not have any QR code or any serial number associated with it. So I'm not especially sure on how we can register this for warranty. Yeah, so this is the cable. So this is how long the cable is. It's long cable. Check if it works. We'll connect it. Super fast charging, as you can see, 75%, 4% until full. So it does not have a QR code to show the serial number, and this box is empty inside, nothing else is there. Yeah, so yeah, nothing more. Thanks.